Okay, we're recording. The big issue in California in April 2014, or yes, I'd say the biggest issue is probably the drought. And I live in San Francisco, and what we have our own water system. It's called the Hetch Hetchy system, and it's somewhat contained. It's 85% of the water comes from the Tuolumne River, and 15% comes from local rivers and reservoirs. But the predominance of our water comes from the Tuolumne River. So I thought, well, let's look at what we know about the Tuolumne River and what it's done in the past and what we might expect from the past as to what we'll do in the future. And so I have this database, and I've got the date starting in 1901 and the monthly flows of the Tuolumne River over to the total, and these are in acre feet. The Tuolumne River is estimated to have a average annual flow of approximately 1.7 million acre feet. It's well spoken for, and by that I mean there's a lot of straws in that glass. There's the irrigation districts, and there's San Francisco, and there are many other uses, and we have concerns for the environment, the fish, the wildlife, and so forth. Anyway, so I looked, but that's not what I'm really working on this particular lecture. Down here, I looked at the flows for that many years, and I did some short statistical analysis by month and by total, and you can see the mean over there. It's mean on this period. I was a bit wrong. 1.905. I think this is a standard deviation. Yes, it is. The standard deviation, and that means plus or minus 1.9 plus or minus 0.9 million acre feet catches about 68% of all flows. I mean, all where with the standard bell-shaped curve, the Gaussian curve. Anyway, so here I have the minimum amount of water in a year and the maximum amount of water, and you can see that the difference is a little over 4 million